Hello, viewers. In today's class, we are going to discuss a very important concept and problem from coordinate geometry, right? So, here we have to discuss this problem, which is related to the common tangents with respect to two circles, right? So, here we have to find the value of lambda if these two circles touch each other, right? So, here we'll see a direct result how to find or how to calculate the value of lambda when two circles touch each other. So whenever we come across with these type of problems, then the concept of a common tangent evolves, right? So here we are given the equations of two circles, right? So the first circle may be taken as C1, and the equation is x square plus y square plus 9 plus lambda x plus 7y is equal to 0. And the second circle is C2, and whose equation is x square plus y square minus lambda x plus 2y is equal to 0, right? So here we are required to find out the value of lambda when these two circles touch each other. So let us first see the general case, right? Suppose we are given two circles. The equations are, suppose the circle C1 has the equation x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy is equal to 0, and the second circle has the equation x square plus y square plus 2g prime x plus 2f prime y is equal to 0, right? So here we are not considering the constant term appearing in the equation of the circle. So here we are considering two circles in which we do not have the constant term, right? Because the general equation of the circle can be written as x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, right? So in this case, we do not have this constant term c in these two circles, right? So now we have to find the value of lambda if these two circles touch each other, right? So we know that if we have one circle like this and another circle like this, and if these two circles touch each other, we have a common tangent, right? So this is the common tangent, right? And when two circles touch each other, then their radical axis is their common tangent, right? So in this case, uh, the radical axis and the common tangent both coincides, right? So here we'll find the value of lambda when these two circles touch each other. So now when C1 and C2 circles touch each other, then the condition for this is that the determinant, the value of this determinant is 0, right? So here we have F, and here we have G, and here we have F prime, and here we have G prime, right? So the condition for these two circles C1 and C2 to touch each other is given by this determinant, which is equal to 0, right? So we can also write this condition as f times g prime minus f prime times g is equal to 0, that is fg dash equal to f dash g, right? So now we have this condition. So now let us compare these two equations with these two equations respectively, right? So let us compare this equation with this one. Then we have 2g is this 2g is equal to 9 plus lambda, and this 2f is equal to 7, right? So from here we have g is equal to 9 plus lambda over 2, and from here we have f is equal to 7 over 2, right? So we have obtained the value of g and f, right? Okay, similarly if we compare this equation with this one, then we have 2g dash equal to minus lambda. So g dash is minus lambda over 2, and here we have 2f and here we have 2. So 2f is equal to 2, 2f prime is equal to 2. So f prime is equal to 2 over 2, that is 1, right? So now we can substitute the value of g, f, g dash and f dash in this equation, right? So f times g prime is 7 over 2 times minus lambda over 2, that is equal to f prime, that is 1, and g is 9 plus lambda over 2, right? So now let us quickly solve this equation. So this 2 and this 2 get cancelled. So we are left with minus 7 lambda over 2 is equal to 9 plus lambda, right? So now we can multiply 9 plus lambda by 2. So we have minus 7 lambda is equal to 18 plus 2 lambda. So we can take 2 lambda to this side. So we have minus 7 lambda minus 2 lambda is equal to 18. And this is minus 9 lambda is equal to 18. So lambda is 18 over minus 9, that is minus 2. So this is how we can find the value of lambda when these two circles touch each other.